7 Reasons why you should never chase women. If you're a guy seeking advice on finally winning over the woman you've been pursuing for months, the notion of not actively pursuing her might seem counterintuitive. However, the key is not to chase the woman you're interested in. So, how do you go about getting her to date you? While it may have been ingrained in you that men are instinctual chasers, driven by the thrill of the pursuit, there could be some truth to that belief. Scientists have even provided evidence that men genuinely enjoy the chase. Additionally, researchers suggest that people inherently value things that are challenging to attain. The satisfaction derived from capturing the attention of the woman they desire is considered an achievement, boosting men's ego. However, this isn't exclusive to men. Women also find satisfaction in knowing that there was something distinctive about them that drew a man in. They want to feel that they have enticed the man. Consequently, if you suddenly start chasing a woman, you're likely to push her away. With that in mind, here are 7 reasons why men should avoid chasing women. You might discover an ego boost among these reasons if you give up the chase. 1. You get distracted from chasing your goals. Many men engaged in the pursuit of women often invest significant time strategizing their moves, meticulously learning the women's schedules to ensure they are in the right place at the right time. This pursuit consumes substantial energy and resources. The excitement derived from the chase propels them forward, leading them from one endeavor to the next, all in the hopes that the next attempt will be the one prompting her to say yes. Consider that the time and effort spent in such pursuits could be directed towards personal development and the achievement of personal goals. Devoting excessive time fixated on one woman is likely to result in frustration and a sense of disorientation regarding who and what truly matters. 2. You come across as desperate. Have you ever witnessed a man desperately trying to win a woman's affection, and it just comes off as pitiable? If she explicitly communicates or demonstrates disinterest, it's crucial to believe her and gracefully step back. Desperation may masquerade as genuine desire, but ultimately, they are distinctly different. Occasionally, women aren't playing hard to get, they simply don't harbor romantic interest. Recognizing this sooner rather than later is beneficial. If you're the kind of person who views a woman's rejection as a challenge, it's essential to reflect on your motives for pursuing her. Maintaining self-respect and dignity is paramount. Desperation might seem appealing in movies, but in reality, it doesn't carry the same allure. 3. The chase will never end. If you persistently pursue a woman and succeed in dating her, do you believe you can simply relax and take a passive stance afterward? By initiating the romantic relationship, you've established that she is the prize, and the chase doesn't end once you're together. It's an ongoing journey that can be challenging to sustain. It's not uncommon to hear women express sentiments like, "Before we got together, you used to do XYZ, and now you don't do that anymore." You initially pursued her, making her feel loved, but the sense of pursuit can diminish if you stop actively pursuing her. While this may not be a universal truth, it's crucial to commit to what you can consistently maintain. If you can't sustain the momentum, it's wise not to initiate it in the first place. 4. The relationship will be centered around her. When seeking a partner, it's essential to find someone who reciprocates the attention, love, and pampering you shower upon her. However, if the focus is consistently on pleasing her alone, a crack may appear in your foundation. It's possible that in your relentless pursuit, you were so committed to doing all the work that the dynamic remains one-sided even after winning her over. Although persistence may wear her down, she might leave if someone she genuinely likes enters the picture. While you might triumph in the chase, once the thrill fades, you risk feeling lost within the relationship. It's crucial to establish a balanced and reciprocal connection for a healthy and fulfilling partnership. 5. You miss the one who wants you. As you invest considerable time pursuing a woman who has clearly rejected you numerous times, you inadvertently overlook the chance to be with other women who genuinely appreciate you. Successful romantic relationships thrive on mutual love and effort. There are likely other women eager to date you, especially if you're achieving success. As emphasized in the first point, focus on pursuing your goals passionately. You merit someone who invests their time in you as much as you invest in them. Prioritizing those who reciprocate your efforts is essential for building a fulfilling connection. 6. She's not that into you. There's an initial phase of acquainting yourself with a woman and expressing your intentions to her. This article doesn't suggest bypassing this phase and merely waiting for women to discover you. If the pursuit persists after this initial phase, it's a clear indication that the woman may not share the same level of interest. When a woman is genuinely interested, she reciprocates your efforts. Her actions will speak volumes, conveying her invitation and expressing, both verbally and through her behavior, whether or not she shares your feelings. 7. You are not what she needs. The pursuit is not solely about showcasing your hunting skills. Individuals carry past traumas that can influence their approach to dating. Women, like anyone else, may harbor these experiences. When a woman prompts you to chase her by adopting a hard-to-get stance, it may stem from self-confidence issues rooted in past challenges. Alternatively, she could be guarding herself due to ongoing healing from specific wounds. In such cases, women might exhibit disinterest, and even if you persist in the chase to the point of securing a relationship, maintaining her romantic interest may pose challenges. If you're wondering about your next steps with the woman you're pursuing, my advice is to abandon the chase. I'm not implying that you should anticipate women to pursue or approach you. Simply communicate your intentions and, if you wish, incorporate thoughtful gestures. However, refrain from embarking on a persistent chase. Mutual desire is easily discernible without resorting to relentless pursuit. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.